Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix not everyone can message this account on Facebook Messenger. So if you are seeing the message not everyone can message this account on the messenger, it typically means that the account's privacy settings are restricting who can send messages. And this is a step-by-step guide to fix it. First, you can check your Facebook privacy settings. So ensure your privacy settings allow the right people to message you on Facebook and Messenger. So you can just open the Facebook app on your phone, and then you can go to the settings, click on your photo at the top right corner and find settings and privacy in here, and find the how you connect options in here. And just find the how people can contact or find and contact you in here. Find these settings, and then you can just select who can send you friend requests, or this one. So you can just choose everyone or friend of friends depending on your preference. And after that, the next one, you can adjust the messenger's message settings. So you can just open the Facebook Messenger on your desktop and then tap on your profile pictures on the left corner to access the settings. Just click on this gear icon and find the privacy settings, this one. And here you can just adjust the settings for message requests, people on Facebook, and also everyone. Here you can just find the options who can reach you. You can set the message delivery. You can people on the messenger. You can click on message request. So you can make sure that you allow all of this, and check if you have blocked or restricted someone. So if you block or restricted someone in the past, they won't be able to message you on messenger. And here you can also review your active status settings. You can open the messenger and find the active status options, this one. So ensure that you show when you are active. So it's just enable this if you want people to message you at any time. Next, you can also check for Facebook restrictions. So if Facebook has placed temporary restrictions on your account, this might prevent some user from messaging you. And you can also update the Messenger and Facebook apps, because outdated apps can cause issues with message delivery. So you can just open to the you can just go to the App Store or Google Play and check for updates to both Facebook and Messenger. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.